Welcome to the inaugural FIPS-M Light Tackle Boat Fishing World Champs, hosted in the breathtaking Mossel Bay, South Africa. This event marks a significant milestone for the South African Light Tackle Boat Angling Association, SALTBAA, who have long dreamt of hosting a Light Tackle Boat World Championship in the country. Originally planned for 2020, the event was postponed due to COVID-19, but with the success of the pilot in 2019, the event was eagerly anticipated. The competition involved teams of 2 anglers using equal amounts of bait and only a 4 kg line, ensuring a level playing field and putting anglers' skills to the test. An electronic drawing system ensured fairness by ensuring that no team was placed on the same boat with the same skipper more than once. This was a catch and release event where all catches were carefully measured and photographed on board before being released back into the water. The skipper monitored this process and the judges confirmed the accuracy of the measurements after every day of fishing. 8 pairs from 3 countries participated in the event, with 3 pairs from South Africa, 3 from Gibraltar and 2 from Luxembourg. The fishing area was demarcated and could be changed based on prevailing weather conditions.
I declare open the first World Championship light tackle fishing.
Day 1 saw ideal fishing conditions and the teams quickly began netting fish. South Africa took an early lead with 131 fish netted compared to Gibraltar's 66 and Luxembourg's 34. Day 2 was more challenging, with cold and rainy weather, strong winds and swells testing both anglers' and skippers' abilities. After 7 hours of fishing, the boats were called off the water due to worsening conditions. South Africa maintained their lead with 46 fish netted, while Gibraltar and Luxembourg caught 40 and 34 fish respectively.
We are posting us across the world. Yes!
Due to worsening weather conditions, Day 3 was a rest day. On the morning of Day 4, the decision was made to cancel fishing for the day due to bad weather.
When people back home and everywhere in Europe see the catches will be landed with a 4 kilo line, it will be, this event was going to get big, big, big. just hope everybody gets here for next year. Thanks.
Hey guys, that's the Luxembourg team for the light line fishing. Just want to tell everybody it's amazing here. It's the first time in the World Championship. It's light line, something brand new. Never heard of it, but it's brilliant, really brilliant. It's a completely different sort of fishing.
The competition concluded with a gala evening and prize giving, where many stories of the ones that got away were shared, including Gibraltar's loss of a sizable hammerhead that jumped out of the boat. The inaugural FIPS-M Light Tackle Boat Fishing World Champs was an incredibly successful event, showcasing the skills and determination of the participating teams while promoting responsible fishing practices through catch and release.
Unfortunately, we were not able to fish every day, but I'm sure on behalf of all of us, I can say the fishing was great. We only have to look at the photos that underline the richness and the beauty of the fish we caught during this week. We will return home with great memories.
And that's a wrap on the inaugural FIPS-M Light Tackle Boat Fishing World Champs. Thank you to all the participants, sponsors and supporters who made this event possible. We hope to see you all back here in 2024 for an even bigger and better championship, with more countries from around the world joining us to showcase their skills and passion for responsible fishing practices. Until then, tight lines and safe travels.